You already know. Film theory. Today, we're going to learn how movies can tell the truth in creative ways, especially during difficult times, truthfully. After World War II, Japan was under American control. During this time, filmmakers had to follow very strict rules. They were not allowed to show certain parts of Japanese history or to talk about important leaders. You might think that this would stop creativity altogether, but it actually did quite the opposite. Filmmakers had to get more creative with just how exactly they told stories. One important director, Akira Kurosawa, made a film called Rashomon. This movie is special because it tells the same story from different points of view. Each person remembers things differently, so the audience has to figure out what the truth might be for themselves. This was very different from older movies at the time, which usually told stories in a simple, straight line. Rashomon, though, showed that stories can be complex and that truth isn't always clear. Another interesting idea is how films connect to each other. For example, Citizen Kane also used flashbacks to tell its story in pieces. Later, movies like Memento continued this style. This continues to show how one film can inspire many, many others. Now, let's talk about another film, Gojira. You might know it as Godzilla. At first, it looks like a monster movie, but it actually has a much deeper contextual meaning. After the war, Japan experienced the effects of atomic bombs. Gojira was actually a giant monster used as a representation to show that fear and destruction. Because filmmakers of that time couldn't talk about those events directly, they had to use their imagination and special effects of the time to really help tell the story in a different way. This shows us something important. Movies are not just for entertainment. They can help people express feelings, tell the truth, and share history. So, what did we learn today? Well, even when there are rules, creativity can grow. Stories don't always have one clear truth, and films can turn real-life struggles into very much so powerful art. Thanks for learning with me, and I guess I just hit you with some more film theory. See you in the next lesson.